Man, this is going on! Hi guys, good afternoon. Yeah, it is
41 degrees.
Yeah, good afternoon. 41 degrees, he says. And today is, what is today? Thursday, right? Hon? Thursday, January 28th. And I have a video for you guys tomorrow. And this video is gonna be next week.
Donald Trump will stick to his guns and skip tonight's GOP presidential debate.
Yeah, we're heading to Jersey to his job. I go with him. It's a long drive. So yeah, I'll see you later guys to our trip. I'll bring you with us. Hi guys, we just get in the highway. But look, this is the exit. We're not even in the highway road yet, but let's see it. Look, we can't even zip in over there. My husband usually go that way. This is gonna be forever.
And petite. She'll also come in 7 different skin tones. 22 eye colors.
Traffic, guys.
Advocacy, support, and research.
We're not moving nowhere.
Foundation, raising awareness. 30 minutes. I don't know, it doesn't even move before. So now we're in the Washington Bridge to Newark, New Jersey. We're going in there. In the Bronx.
Okay, lower level says 4 minutes to New Jersey, upper level says 8 minutes.
Yeah, 4 minutes.
Well, once you get on the bridge, so over the other side of the bridge, you're in Jersey. Actually, halfway across the bridge, you're in Jersey. So we don't even have to get to the other side.
Be in either of the two right lanes.
We're going to come right over, so.
This is going.
Well, he has to get over here. He can't go here. So, I mean, ideally, I should let him come out, but I'm just sitting there shit too long. You can come out normally and swerve over at that time.
It's rolling, guys. We're gonna be in the bridge in Jersey.
In 2.5 miles, keep right to I-95 South.
Start already until
What?
traffic.
Shit. People break out to the man.
Oh, let's go to Manhattan.
Both lanes.
Oh. Not both lanes, one lane. Two. So I'm two
The
in
second
here
lane
too.
goes both.
Yeah, that's going to Manhattan. Slow down, hon. It's like wet over here.
Now we got nice new tires. Nice looking.
Yeah.
Like mountains going down to the
York over here in that thing. So yeah.
See that sign? That's leaving New York.
Okay. Welcome to New Jersey.
Halfway across the water here in Jersey.
Yeah. We're in the gas station, Sonoko, and the good thing about her, guys, is like a, hold on, guys.
How you doing today?
There's something over here. The gas over here is 175. In New York is crazy. Like some people in Manhattan.
Regular, please. Thank you.
In Manhattan, they say that they're like 2 or 3 something. In our area, it's 2 something. 2.99, 2.29, 2.29. I know where is the other place. It's cheaper. Pennsylvania, it's $1 something over there.
Jersey cheaper, by the way.
Well, they have a, like some over there is lower than here.
Not Pennsylvania.
Not Pennsylvania. Not Maryland. Where they live at?
Texas?
Philadelphia. No.
That's Pennsylvania.
No. Pennsylvania. No. PA.
Pennsylvania.
Yeah, Pennsylvania.
Jersey cheaper.
Pennsylvania?
Jersey's cheaper.
No, I'm curious. I'm confused. Are they in Pennsylvania, Maryland?
Who?
Beth.
Beth.
Yeah.
Virginia.
Oh, they're in Virginia.
Oh my God. You're not even close, huh?
They're in Virginia, guys. They're in Virginia.
Virginia may be cheaper. Because I don't know.
Yeah, so they're very
Definitely
cheap.
not cheaper than
It's
Jersey.
cheaper than Jersey. My friend Beth always posted a picture that they have like very low price over there. They're lucky. New York is crazy. That's all I can tell you. Yeah, we're in Sunoco gasoline station. The gasoline station in Jersey, guys. This is the state that will you don't have to get out. Somebody
Can't.
will.
You can't do your own gas here.
Yeah, you can't. There is a in Jersey. I say a Jersey law that every gasoline station there.
Good because a lot of people jumps.
Yeah, so there is people that pump the gas for you, and some people are cleaning the window. And I don't see that anymore. And yeah, they don't do it. Some area did, or if you tell them to do it. That guy called my husband monk.
If I can just go.
Okay, go. Yeah, there is a shopping, a little food shopping here if you're hungry. If you're traveling a long time, the people just stop here and get something to eat. So you guys want to know what's in my bag? Every time I go like running all over the place. Oh my god, look at my wallet, guys. My wallet is... I need to get another wallet. I had this for a long time. I have to close. I always close the thing, the car, when my husband leave me. But anyway, guys, yeah, so it is very old, but I like it. And this is my wallet. I don't even have a picture of my husband here, but I have a picture of our wedding, which is, it's really, I fold it like that, and then look, this is the picture of us. And I have another picture right here. I don't even have my family picture here in the Philippines, but I have my friend's son, yeah, Nikolai. This is the kid. He's so super cute kid and very smart. Here, my headset from my phone. In here is I bring something to go with me, like what I need. What kind of lipstick I have here. Look, I have different kind of lipstick, guys, so that's it. Look, and what else? This one here, a tissue. Yeah, tissue. And another one, this one is from Ipsy also. Let's see what's in here, guys. Okay, what's in here is hand sanitizer, which is almost, oh my god, it's nothing left. I have more in the house. And this is the foundation, a True Match Mineral Gin. It's a powder foundation. It's a powder one. I love this one. And what else in here? It's a mouth spray. It's a mouth spray. And, this is the very old bag that I got from the Philippines. I don't know if it's from the Philippines or in Florida. I think I got this from Florida. So yeah guys, we're just gonna be here driving for like 2.5 hours going to destination. And hubby is, I can't drive her because it's Jersey and my permit is you're allowed only to drive
In 1 mile.
in New
keep
York
right
State.
on 95 South.
It's not good. I did this before driving, but not here in Jersey. Somewhere where I slow down. Han. We went to we're going back from Florida. My husband is so tired, like sleeping while he's driving. So I practice. I drove like twice that time only in New York, and then I'm so worried because he's sleeping, closing his eyes, and that's it, guys. He's like, and then I told him that I will drive. I drove
Keep
for like
right
2
to
hours after
95
that.
South.
Just 2 hours, and I'm so scared because there is a construction and then there's a lot of cops. Ay, Han!
I'm driving. Just keep going.
In 2
there's
and a
ice
quarter
here, ice,
miles,
ice.
keep left on I-95.
I'm on 5 right now.
Han, this is going on!
Close up.
You don't even know that? That you don't even see. You're the one that's in your side, you can see.
Yeah, but I can't see if that lane's closing. I can't see his side closing up.
He just keep going. Even there's no like the lane is merging.
Sign that said merge to one lane. But they should go.
Yeah. And then, it's his turn. He's the one over there first. You squeeze it.
Well, we both had a lane. I didn't know the lanes were merging.
Well, it's really obvious. It's getting smaller. God, this is scary, huh? And then you're speeding. It's that jeep or that truck over there that's almost hit us, or almost like squeezing us.
Yeah, we're going to the shoulder, but it should be the left lane anyway.
No, there's no enough shoulder, hon. There's no shoulder in that area.
A little bit. I didn't need a lot.
You don't need a lot. Love that chicken of Popeyes. That's Popeyes, guys. That's the name of it. I'll show you. That's the name of it. Popeyes. Your eyes will pop because it is so good. Okay, we have this chicken with no bones. Hi guys, we're already here. We're in the place that where my husband's working. I'm having Popeyes. Oh, I would like to tell you that I think I did told you from the previous vlog. I don't know if I did, but I will gonna say it again. I keep eating vegetables and fish and egg for 2 weeks, and after that, then I miss eating the meat, and yeah, so I'm back eating of meat, but I'm not gonna just I miss eating meat, and it feels good also eating vegetables all the time because I don't have any. My stomach always bloated before, and when I start eating vegetables all the time, fish, egg, that's like healthy stuff, it feels good. I will keep going eating vegetables every now and then, fish, egg. I always eat egg every morning. So yeah, I'm not just gonna give up vegetables, but I wanna eating less meat. That's why right now I'm having Popeyes. Popeyes, guys, it's been a long time that I don't have this. Hey guys, I'm still here. Hold on, guys. I will stop this. We're still here. It's already 6:30 at night, and my husband is not done yet. He said it's gonna be like 30 more minutes, but it's been 30 more minutes already, and he's still not out here. So he's still not out. But listen, I'm just gonna wait, and then that's it, guys. I'm going to wait, and let's see. I'm watching a show, and I don't know the title of this movie. I'm watching a movie, Stealing Heaven. Yeah. Amazon Prime, guys. That's what yeah, we're a member of Amazon Prime. There is that restaurant over there is an Outback Steakhouse, and what else? There's a lot of store over there, guys. I'll show you, okay? Like what store is that? Is that a restaurant? It doesn't focus. Sleepies. That's it.